Alright, we're there. We're not that far. Okay. We can get to a beach. I think it is this way.
Easy peasy.
Huh? So there is one. Which way? It feels like we should go this way.
That's an old motorbike.
Yes. There's an old town, huh? Wow, this is nice. Come on, man, if you want to get to the beach. You're right in those flip-flops. Maybe we should have done trainers. Yeah. You okay?
This is fun.
Fun, yeah, good. Good. Oh.
Papa,
Yeah.
what are these called in English?
Oh.
Papa,
Yeah, here you go. What? Yeah.
what are these called in English?
I don't know, it's just a seed. Well done. Just careful with these bumpy lanes in your flip-flops. Don't run, man.
Let me throw the shell.
You got it. Just don't run here, please.
Let's see if I see some of those eggs again.
Maybe, I think that was more in England though, but let's see what you find. I think I heard the sea.
I hear it.
Yeah, exactly. We're near. You go, please. Just don't run. You'll trip up here in those flip-flops. I've said 5 times, please. No more running. I hear it. The waves. This is lovely. This is the harbour. It's not the beach yet. I think it's the harbour. Wow. This ain't the proper beach. Isn't the proper beach, should I say. Wow, look at this. This is beautiful. Unless it is the beach.
Oh my god, it's a copy.
Looks like a pirate boat. Pirate ship. Well, we definitely can't swim in this one, boy. Yeah, just keep watching where you walk. I better walk, look where I'm going to.
Come here.
No, I'm fine. Yeah, I'm fine. Yeah, fine. I'm fine. Oh, well, thank you. I'm all right. pretty here, I like it. Wow. Oh! Oh no! You see puddle there. Oh dear. That's great. Great. Great, great, great. I've got a wet foot now. Great. Muddy water shoe.
Papa, that
Yeah.
looks like a one.
It does, yes. Here you go. I don't think we're going to have a swimming beach here. I think we'll have a beach on there. Oh wait, we'll do the swimming pool or something, or find another beach.
Okay, now it's
We can't swim here. Don't. Go this way. That's why I said don't run. No. I thought that was a mouse, that fur blown. Never mind. Let's go this way. You go. Stop doing the noise. Loco. People who wear masks. There's a nice dog. Yeah? It drops there. You see the dirty water. We can't swim in this. You go out the pitch. You need someone's picture. Look. Oh, we're getting it paddled at least, huh? You got a beach.